ever been invited by your ex's mother to Thanksgiving dinner? This is the look. Your new boo ever invites you over for Thanksgiving dinner for the first time? Sis, this is your look. You got that one cousin you just stunt on every family gathering? Bitch, this is that look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing a Thanksgiving look. L-E-W-K, not even L-O-O-K, L-E-W-K, a look. So Thanksgiving is around the corner. I think Thanksgiving is next weekend. I'm not sure. If it's not next weekend, it's the weekend after. It's like October, like something, beginning of October, I think. Because I seen a party flyer that said Thanksgiving weekend, and the party was for October 6th. So hopefully Thanksgiving is coming up, because I just did this look because I thought Thanksgiving was coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell to know every time I post a video, because bitch, who doesn't want to know every time I post a video? Okay, let's get into it.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins.
You're just gonna follow the shape of your crease. So in here is the line you're gonna follow to get that perfect cut crease without using concealer.
Be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one
both of these. Hello sis, come on. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and the Maybelline Stay Super Stay.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I can't wait. I just need it.
Is it normal? Okay. Because I just focus, bitch. I just started taking birth control. Is it normal to be breaking out like this? Because I'm like utterly confused as to why my good up skin looks like this right now. Like I don't understand this. Like it's not making any sense to me.
Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, I felt your breath. Then I knew the girl smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, I felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. I was on your bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, I felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. Touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my pants. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
to leave it open. But I got a whole bunch of makeup on my shirt, so I'm gonna leave it closed right now.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamonds.